And the most usable and most essential of this word.
Include, exclude. Include means to add something. Exclude means to leave something out. Example: please include my name on the list. He was excluded from the team. Begin, finish. Begin means to start. Finish means to end. Example: let's begin the class. We finish school at 2 p.m. 3 up, down. Example: look up at the sky. Please sit down. For visible, invisible. Visible means can be seen. Invisible means cannot be seen. Example: the moon is visible tonight. Air is invisible. 5 left, right. Example: turn left at the signal. The hospital is on the right side. 6 alive, dead. Example: the fish is alive. The plant is dead. 7 rich, poor. Example: the businessman is rich. The family is poor. 8 north, south. Example: Pakistan is in South Asia. The compass points north. 9 push, pull. Example: push the door to open it. Pull the rope carefully. Small blue diamond love, hate. I love ice cream. Nobody should hate others. Small blue diamond clever, stupid. She is a clever student. It was a stupid mistake. Small blue diamond inside, outside. The children are inside the house. The car is parked outside. Small blue diamond before, after. Wash your hands before eating. We played after school. Small blue diamond bad, good. Smoking is bad for health. Exercise is good for health. Small blue diamond sweet, sour. Chocolate tastes sweet. Lemon tastes sour. Small blue diamond short, tall. Ollie is short. His brother is tall. Small blue diamond increase, reduce. Exercise can increase energy. Reduce sugar intake. Small blue diamond regret, satisfaction. He regrets wasting time. Hard work gives satisfaction. Book's final opposite words. Small blue diamond close, open. Please close the window. Open your books. Small blue diamond child, adult. The child is playing. Adults are working. Small blue diamond man, woman. The man is walking. The woman is reading. Small blue diamond brief, long. Please give a brief answer. It was a long journey. Small blue diamond difficult, easy. Math is difficult for some students. English is easy to learn. Small blue diamond on, off. Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. Small blue diamond full, empty. The glass is full. The bottle is empty. Small blue diamond let, forbid. My parents let me play. The teacher forbids cheating. Small blue diamond ask, reply. Ask your teacher if you need help. Please reply to my question. Excellent work, everyone. Party popper. Today, we learned many common opposite words in English. Practice these words every day to improve your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to thumbs up like the video. Loudspeakers share with your friends.